Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn heredity and evolution together, step by step. Heredity passes traits from parents to offspring. We'll follow Mendel's famous experiments and see how species evolve over time. Traits are carried by genes. Each parent passes one form, called an allele. The combination of alleles, the genotype, decides the visible trait, the phenotype. A dominant allele shows its effect even with one copy. A recessive needs two copies to appear, so TT is tall because the tall allele T is dominant. Crossing two TT parents, the Punnett square gives TT, 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 and TTT, a 3-to-1 ratio of tall to short. This is Mendel's classic result. Evolution arises from variation and natural selection. Individuals with useful traits survive and reproduce, so over many generations the species gradually changes. To recap, genes carry traits through alleles. Dominant alleles mask recessive ones. A monohybrid cross gives 3-to-1, and evolution is variation shaped by natural selection. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.